guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Life. If you guys have a Mazda, any Mazda, let's say Mazda 2, 3, 5, 6 guys, CX-3, CX-5, CX-7 guys, and you have any of those three codes guys listed in the corner of the video guys, one of them is P2122, one is P2127, and the other one I think was P0220 guys. Stay with us and we'll explain what could cause that and how to fix it. Now, actually it's pretty simple to fix. It takes only less than 5 to 10 minutes. If you need the parts guys, check it out. We have all the parts and tools listed in the description of the video for your convenience. In addition guys, quick introduction, we have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below guys, and let us know if the video was helpful. So let's start on it now. So we'll be working on a 2010 Mazda CX-7, but again it will be the same for all of them. That's the scanner that we'll be using. You can find it guys listed in the description of the video below. Very inexpensive scanner. So I'll go ahead, I'll just plug it in.
Okay, right here is our OBD connector. Okay, right there.
And I'm going to go ahead and start the car, show you guys what it sounds like now. Okay, the car has no power. It may run okay, it may not have any power at all. Okay, engine light may be on as well. Okay, like that. Engine light may be on due to those codes. You may experience other lights as well. And if I give it gas, okay, it's unresponsive guys. So we'll explain guys now what causes that. I'll turn the engine off, turn the ignition on. Okay, turn the ignition on, and the codes guys that we have right now. Okay, we're going to go under OBD. We'll scan the system quickly and see okay what we get. And I'll show you how to find out what's wrong with it. So we have two codes in this computer, and okay, we have two modules that you can scan. We'll scan the first one to see what we have there, read codes, and then we'll scan the second one. So the codes that we have: P2122 throttle pedal position sensor switch D, and the other code is P2127 throttle pedal position sensor switch E. Now those are the two codes here. If I go back to the other module, okay, right here, we're going to select the read codes, stored codes, and we may have something else. Okay, lost communication with ECM, and the other one is P0220 throttle pedal position sensor switch B. So everything guys, throttle pedal position. Okay, so that's your throttle pedal right there. So it's something guys right there that's causing the problem. So most likely it's a loose wiring harness or it's a bad throttle position. Okay, pedal. It has a sensor that detects how many degrees and percent the throttle is open, and I'll show you guys how we can test that. Let me go back. We'll go to the other module quick. Okay, right here, and now we're going to select live data. Okay, it's going to take just a little bit of time to communicate and connect with the computer. You'll be any minute now, and we'll be able to actually detect if our throttle pedal is working or it's not, and we'll explain guys how to do that in just a second. So we'll click view data, complete data set. Okay, I'll go ahead, start the car. Car is running. And I will have guys, okay, this is the throttle position, 16.5%. Okay, I can even click on this one. Okay, enter it, open the graph, I'll press it. It doesn't move guys, it doesn't show anything. What we'll do now guys, okay, I'm going to turn the car off. Okay, we'll go ahead, replace our throttle pedal, and we'll see if that fixes the problem now. So throttle pedal has been replaced guys. Okay, let me grab the key. We're going to restart the car now. Okay, I want to see if I can rev it up now. So that works. Now what I'll do, I want to go back to the live data and see okay if that is still there. So we'll click to reload. Go to the next page, throttle position 13.7% guys now. And if I apply more throttle, okay, it's going to go up and down. Let me open the graph so you can see it clearly. Okay, you can see I can just give it a little bit more. So definitely guys, this is working throttle position pedal now, so that definitely takes care of our problem. What we'll need to do next, all we have to do, just go ahead, turn the ignition on, okay, go back, and we'll need to click erase codes now. Okay, erase codes. Are you sure? Yes. Erasing codes. Please wait. And it will be any minute now. Erase done. So I'll turn the ignition off, start the car, and engine light is not there anymore. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.